Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A wet cough often means your lungs are trying to clear mucus caused by infections or other issues. Conditions like pneumonia, bronchitis, or heart problems can cause it. If your wet cough lasts more than 3 weeks or comes with fever, chest pain, or shortness of breath, see a doctor promptly. Early treatment can prevent serious complications and speed up recovery.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.